Hey salty dogs. Hey, just a quick short video. This past weekend, just after leap year, yeah, it was a little bit of a grind. Had some great weather. Thought the fishing conditions would have been a little bit more productive. Fished the first day with another Salt Strong insider. Great fisherman. Went out there with artificials, fished a whole bunch of spots. I think we fished like 7 spots. Ended up with a couple trout. Bite was real weird. The trout were just kind of hitting the bait, then coming around, circling up to kind of inhale it and just barely moving off. So the bite was real hard to read. So that first day was real tough. Ended up with a couple, nice slot trout, a bunch of undersize. Next day, took another Salt Strong outsider out. I was targeting redfish. Decided to use live bait. North Jetty Bait Camp's got live shrimp. So, went out there. Got a late start, but went out and missed a huge one, but was able to take home 1 slot red and had some gar, messed around with the bait, and had a couple bites with gar. But it was still a fun trip overall. But hope all y'all enjoy, and please like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.
Where? Oh yeah? Right there in that corner. Go ahead and follow that up, man. that he is. Keep him? Yeah. I didn't get him on film, damn it. You got some fish grippers?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, I got it. This one's gonna require a picture. It's been a minute. Take a picture back here away from the mat. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Tighten up your drag a little bit. Get this cork out of your way. Well, pretty good. Oh, another gar. There's another gar.